Hello everybody, today we have got easy slow cooker chicken, crockpot chicken, easy way to make shredded chicken for you. I usually get about 4 to 5 pounds of the chicken breast from Aldi's. Usually it's Aldi's. I also like the lemon pepper they have there. It's a salt-free lemon pepper, really good to add some flavor without a lot of sodium. Lately I've been doing oregano and thyme, and I always like cumin with steak seasoning. I also like the Aldi steak seasoning, pretty good stuff. What you're going to do here is you're just going to lay down the chicken evenly and try to make it as flat as possible. Now if you get a larger portion, it's going to be a little harder to do this, which is why I don't try to get the bigger ones. I usually get the smallest family pack they have there, and that usually makes it easy to kind of get flat. Now you're going to add a little bit of water. I think this is about maybe 3 to 4 ounces of water, not a whole ton. And then you're just going to put a ton of seasoning, and I encourage you to use a lot of herbs and spices. Try to not use too much sodium. The only sodium I add is usually steak seasoning. I really like the Aldi steak seasoning. It's got a really nice flavor and it's very cheap. So after that, it should look well seasoned before you turn it on. Put it on low for about 8 to 10 hours. Come back, take a nap, whatever you got to do, go to work. And then, you're just going to take 2 forks, and it should be really easy to just shred up. All you need is 2 forks, and it should just take a couple minutes, and you will have yourself a lot of shredded chicken. And yeah, I normally do stir fries with this chicken, but you can do all sorts of stuff like barbecue chicken. You can make pasta. You can make chicken pizza. That's pretty good. And yeah, this makes it really easy to kind of meal prep for the week. And it's really cheap, only costs about $10 or so to make. And that's all I have for you today.